Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing Earnably, which is an online money earning platform, which will ask you to do tasks or invite friends to get reward points, which in turn is said to be converted into PayPal cash. So let's check on it. So yeah, this is the website and they have given what all features available. And this is its name, earnably.com. This is sign up and login page, as I have already signed in and have an account. So I'm just logging in. If you guys are new to this website, just click the sign up and create a new account. Yup. This is how the dashboard will look like. You have few tabs on above. You have Earn tab, Redeem tab, Invite and Help. The Earn tab consists of offer wall, surveys, videos, tasks, and app. So click on the Earn tab and a drop down appears. Basically you have to do any of these to get reward points, which you can later redeem as PayPal cash. It's your wish, you can do any one task or all of these, according to your interest. But I will be testing out everything so that you won't be missing out anything. So first one I'm doing is offer wall. This is having lots of options to earn money on. But I'm clicking onto Peanut Labs. This is again directing me into its website. Now it is asking me to fill out some personal questions, so that it can find out surveys that are perfectly for my account. Kindly note that these are not the actual survey questions, they are just like warm up. It says these questions are asked to know whether I'm fitting for the survey or not. Meanwhile this one is loading, I will do the other one simultaneously. Now I'm checking up with the surveys. There are lots of surveys available. But I'm clicking on Pollfish for reviewing. Pollfish is nothing but a survey website inside Earnably. These are not exact survey questions, as I have said earlier, they are just warm-up questions to know whether I'm fitting in this survey or not. Now this is asking me to answer some simple questions about my personal life. So yes, I'm answering these questions. Let's see. It's taking too long. Let's just wait and see. By the way, if you have earned from this website, please do let me know in the comments below. I don't know why it is taking so long. Meanwhile we will do the other one. We'll answer Peanut Lab questions. Again, personal questions. I'm filling out all those details. They are asking my gender, date of birth, where I'm living in, etc. etc. I don't know why so many questions, but I'm doing it. Let's hope. I will be fast forwarding the video because most are like too personal questions. Anyway, you can get the whole idea from this. My god, whole fish is still loading. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe for more videos. I will be uploading every week a new video reviewing about online job sites and app. So subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of our videos. Great, it says someone ate all my surveys. Now I don't have anything else to do to earn points. So chuck this one. Whole fish is out of the game now. Let's check with Peanut Lab. Fantastic. This even is out of surveys and offer. Peanut Lab is also out of the game now. So we'll check on with the other ones. Videos. In this, to earn points we have to watch videos. So I'm clicking on to Hideout. There are two categories, food and chillax, and I will be clicking on to food videos. It's again redirecting me to its site. So yeah, this is Hideout website. Now I have to watch this video to earn money. And one more thing. About this site is, to redeem points, I have to create another account in this site as Earnably account cannot be used here. So I'm creating one. For your kind information, I have watched the full video, it's too long so I'm skipping it in my video. Yes.
Okay, this is the pho noodle. It's one of the typical food of the people. Maybe it's quite nowadays, it's quite well known in the US. And pho noodle made from the rice flour like this, and beef is the ham, and it's the vegetable.
I'm finishing up the sign-in page. I have created a new account. This is what happening. I have tried a lot but the page is not going further or nothing happens. Just a blank screen. So even this one is rolled out. I'm closing this tab. We have another one to try on, that is task. It is nothing but we will have few tasks to do, and after completing it, we will get reward points. The task will be given according to your level badges, and that is what they are mentioning in this. Level badges are nothing but the category that you are upgraded as you score more in this. So as a newbie, as you enter this platform, you will be given level 1 badge. And this is about how unlocking each level is. I'm clicking on next. And great, we don't have any task either. We are out of work to earn points. If there is way to earn in this, please comment it below. now. I'm out of options to try. I'm not gonna try the apps as it might not be verified, or I don't know. I just don't want to install any malware in my system. So I'm skipping it. So my review is: this didn't work out well for me. I think country other than us will have this problem. So if it works for you, comment it below. And subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you and bye until I see you next time. So comment below if you want me to review any other site that you think to be reviewed.